Hi guys, thanks for watching. In today's video, we're going to be doing so much cleaning. I don't know why it is as bad around here as it is. Well, I do know because I'm working nonstop right now, so I feel like there are things I do like on an everyday basis, of course, but things get out of control very quickly lately just because I don't have time for that much on an everyday basis. So I end up having to take like a whole day to really get everything like back to where it should be. I'm also collaborating with Belinda on this video, and you guys, I'm obsessed with her. Like, have you ever seen the meme? It's something like, I have so many best friends on the internet who have no idea who I am. That was totally exactly me with her for the longest time, and then we started talking and decided we wanted to film a collab video together. And she is so similar to me. Like, whenever I find people on YouTube, I feel like I never find anyone that's that similar to me. And then I found her and I called my husband over. I was like, look at this girl, we are so similar. I was like so excited. She is so sweet, and she did film a small clip for you guys to get to know her, so check that out now.
Hey guys, my name is Belinda, and I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with Alexandra. Over on my channel, I'm going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my bathroom. It is long overdue. It is so bad and I need to get it done. I invite you over to my channel and I hope you guys subscribe. I do have a lot of lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and a lot of home decor and organization videos, and I will see you guys over there. Muchos besos. Mwah.
I will have a link down below for her channel, so definitely check her out. I love her. I know you guys will love her too. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and also hit the bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. I post videos twice a week, so there's always something fun to watch, and let's get started. I actually remembered to do a before. Whenever I don't, I always get questions asking for a before. So I just filmed a pantry video, so I need to put away like all the lighting stuff for that. There's just like small messes in the kitchen, but it's gonna get a lot worse. We have a bad habit of like throwing everything on this ledge. It's like stairs right there for downstairs, so I need to stop doing that in the first place, but all this stuff really needs to be put away. It's not too crazy in here, but I need to put everything back on these shelves. That's why it's so empty, because all this stuff is like all over the house. I need to dust for sure, like all of my sunglasses and accessories and stuff, that all needs to be dusted. And I still need some curtains that are long enough in this room, you guys. That is like an ongoing thing. I keep forgetting about that, but I also have a giveaway on my Instagram if you guys are not following. This is ending very soon, so don't miss out on that if you haven't entered yet. Get all this stuff put away. And then over here, oh my gosh, my extensions are literally sticking out of this drawer. It looks like there's a dead body in there. Nope, it's just hair extensions. So yeah, I just need to put everything away on my nightstand. This is a dryer ball. I have no idea why that's up here. I always have hair ties and earrings and stuff all over the place, so that needs to be put away too. I'm starting out in the kitchen with this video, and I typically start here whenever I film these style videos for you guys, because I really am one of those people who cannot stand a dirty kitchen and a full sink, and so I'm just focusing on that first, and I'm putting away a lot of extras from a pantry video I just filmed. I filmed how to redo a pantry and just like the steps and stages that we went through in a haul and all of that good stuff. If you have not seen that video, I will have a card up on the screen. Definitely check it out. And then I'm going to focus on the sink area, and the first thing that I'm going to do is rinse off jalapenos and tomatoes. We have a garden in our backyard, and that was probably the largest pick we've had this whole year, so we were really excited about it. So I'm just rinsing those off, and then I'm going to put them back in that pretty bowl, and then I'm going to wash some pots and pans. I wanted to mention this strainer real quick because I'm sure I'll get some questions on it, and it's actually from IKEA, so it's very affordable. I really like this, you guys. I love that the arms stretch on it and they're just adjustable, and it sits on your sink. It's so convenient. And then the spoon rest I'm washing, as well as the pot with a lid right next to that. Those are both from Home Goods, and it's so hard for me not to talk about Home Goods in almost all of my videos lately because So many things in our house are from there, and if you are new here, then I do link a lot of things in the description box of all of my videos, like our faucet and sponge holder and our sectional and rugs and coffee table and nightstands and bed. So many different furniture pieces are down there, so definitely have a look if you're interested where anything is from.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution.
And this is when I thought I was done, but my husband walked in with some groceries, and he actually loves when I film these videos because he started putting these all away, and I was like, wait, stop, I have to film that for my video. And if he's like, I don't know, just like helping with something random around the house and I have to film one of these videos, I'm always like, stop helping, stop. So he's like, has a huge smile on his face, and he's like so happy that he doesn't have to help when I'm filming these videos. But I just thought that was funny and that I would share it, so I'm just going to put everything away. I love this spread on crackers, and then I also show you guys I believe it's a yogurt. Yes, it is, that I really like. If you are not a yogurt person but you want to be, I definitely recommend that one because it's a lot more sweet than it is tart. So it's a good like starter one. I definitely recommend that one, and it's something that I have for dessert actually. I just put some chocolate chips in it and I'm good to go.
What we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
And the last thing I have to do in here is wipe down the counters, and I'm going to use a peony scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and this is a product from Grove Collaborative. I talk about them in a lot of videos because they're so good and it's so worth it. They have really nice products for very affordable prices, and I always have them linked down below. Definitely check them out if you haven't before. So many people are talking about them lately, and I actually signed up because several of you guys told me that I should. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. If you use them, then write a comment down below and let everyone know what your favorite products are.
Now looking back,
I'm finally opening packages that were delivered when we were gone on vacation, and this is that $5 mascara I cannot stop talking about. I featured this in my everyday full coverage look. I talked about it a lot on Instagram lately, probably a few more videos because it's just so good for the price. I'm telling everybody I know about that lately. And then I'm just wiping off the coffee table with Windex. I also started to lint roll our couches every once in a while because they are pretty light in color, obviously, and I really feel like it makes a big difference. They just look so much more fresh and new when I do that, so you guys will see that very soon. Okay, update, it's actually the next day. I was planning on filming this in one day, obviously, but something came up. It took a lot longer than I thought it would to figure that out. And then when I was going to finish this, it was dark outside, so I'm not going to film in the dark. That's not fun for you guys to watch, so I figured I would just film it the next day, which is today. And if you guys have been following like recent videos and you know all about what's going on with my hair, and I cut some old extensions to the length of my hair. Well, they're like probably an inch longer than my natural hair, and I just really missed the thickness, so I'm so happy to like have thicker hair again. But yeah, I don't know, I obviously am obsessed with hair extensions. I love the Luxie hair extensions. I always link them in the description box of all my videos because they're so good and so affordable. And I'm rambling, but anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update and tell you what's going on, and now we're gonna finish the video. I'm going to move on to our bedroom next and make our bed and just pick up all the randomness that you guys saw scattered all over the place. And a few of you have told me lately that you purchased the same nightstands I have. They are linked and I love these so much, you guys. They are for sure one of my favorite furniture purchases in our whole house because you can plug in your phone, Fitbit, whatever you have to charge at night. There's 2 on either side of the back of them. And I also wanted to ask you guys for wall art recommendations. I'm standing on my side of the bed and I really want to do like a 3-panel something over there. I think that'd look really cool. I have such a hard time finding wall art. I'm really picky. There are several places in our house that we still need some, so let me know if you guys have any favorite places that you shop online for it.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it.
I'm doing the floors next and I'm starting out with a Swiffer duster. I do 3 different things when I do like my full floor routine, which is what I'm doing today. I really love these Swiffer dusters, you guys. It always picks up so much more than I'm expecting to, so I've been repurchasing these for a very long time, and it also is what I was using with my hand on those shelves in my office. I just think they're really, really versatile, and I will show you guys the other 2 steps in just a second.
Break it down like this.
And as you can see, I'm vacuuming next. I have a Dyson and I really love this. It's just one of their really lightweight, simple ones, and we don't have a lot of carpet in our house. It's only in our bedroom and on the stairs, and then of course we have a few rugs, but that's it. So I feel like a full-size heavy vacuum is just something that's not practical for us and for our house, and I really like that this has a few different head attachments on it. It also has a mount for the wall, so we just keep it in our pantry closet. It's just so practical, and I love that it's simple, sleek, and lightweight. And for the last step on the floors, I'm just going to use a spray and a Bona mop. I love these Bona mops because they are huge. So I get through our whole house in practically no time. If you don't have one and you have a lot of like hard flooring, I definitely recommend it. Hi.
Oh my god. Okay, let's redo.
For any of you guys that are not a newbie on my channel, then you know I am not a laundry person. It's one of my least favorite things ever, and my husband actually does a lot of it. So when I do it, I call a friend like I did today. I will start a series on Netflix, watch somebody on YouTube, pretty much anything to distract me from what I'm doing.
Come to where the story ends. Things will never be the same, I know. And my heart sings the lonely road we go.
And the very last thing I have to do today is wash my makeup brushes. If you have made it this far, you're the best. I so appreciate you. Write a comment down below and let me know so I can thank you. I respond to every single comment and I get a lot of requests to make my videos longer. I'm really working on that. As you can see, this is probably the longest video I've posted on my channel because I always feel like it gets boring for you guys, but you keep telling me make them longer, so that's what I'm doing. And if you are wondering what I wash my brushes with, it's just a Dawn soap, just like regular soap, and I also will use a microfiber towel and I just like scrub them on that after I rinse them out because it gets almost all of the water out of them, so they dry within a few hours, and then I lay them flat to dry.
We should never let it go. No, we should never let it go.
And that's all for today's video, guys. Yes, I'm filming this the same time I filmed the intro. I just want to make sure I don't forget to film an outro. And please subscribe and like if you haven't yet. Hit that bell. Definitely check out the links down below. I always link similar videos, recent videos, furniture, pretty much anything you guys ask me about. I always link it down below. And I will see you guys in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!